So hello Littlesilver family. So today in this episode I'm going to be taking you for a cycling adventure at Karura forest, and I'm just meeting my cousin and we thought of an activity to do, and we thought, yeah, let's go to the forest and take bike. There is my cousin with her friend. Come say hi, you people. Hi. So this is Agnes and that is Lorna. We are going for an adventure at Karura. It's very beautiful. You can see it's good. You can stop by and buy some plants, flowers on the way. So yeah, let's go in and take a ride. Whew. Whew. What is this? Just a small hill and I'm breathing. So we used the Limuru Gate entrance. That is the most recommended because there's another entrance but not quite recommended because I would say it's quite far from the place where we'll rent bikes. I'll tell you about the prices shortly, and yeah, I'm feeling good. Unataka receipt? Hakuna receipt. So we got our tickets from the gate. To get into the forest, it's only 100 Kenyan shillings. That depends on if you just want to take a walk or you have other activities that you want to do, because they are charged separately. Whew. Don't mind the breathing. I'm so unfit at the moment. I've been eating. So if you want to do other activities, they are charged separately, like photography, picnic, and other stuff. I wasn't concerned for today. Just the entrance fee, because the walk inside is worth it. For adults it's 100 Kenyan shillings for Kenyan citizens, 50 shillings for Kenyan children, and 200 Kenyan shillings for residents. And the last one is non-resident, which is 600 Kenyan shillings and 300 for children. So this is the bike stand. We are going to rent the bikes. It's 500 for 2 hours. If you exceed, I think every hour is charged extra. I'll check with you. 1 million years, and it was discovered today by me. We got lost. Miss Jiki ameenda wapi?
Na ile ina point hapo.
I don't know. Kama ameenda hivyo jameni, mtoto wa wenyewe. Kumbe
ndio maana alikuwa na Twitter hapa.
Kumbe sasa ndio ata lost.
Na tutatoka huko 6.
God. But yes, we can find. And I hope you enjoyed, so just subscribe and support my channel. I love you.